Hello and welcome to another presentation by Usoft Solutions. In this presentation, we are going to look at how to set up multiple grading systems for your school. USCHOOL allows you to set up different grading systems for different departments or different classes in your school. Currently, you have your grading system here under Settings Academics. This is the current grading system that I have. I call it general grading, and this is the grading system that I'm using. So all classes that are assigned to this grading system, students will be assessed based on this grading system. Now I want to set up a different grading system for my final year students. So for my final year students, I want to increase their grading a bit. So this is 80 to 100 gives A and excellent. I want to vary their grading. So I'm going to call their grading final year grading. So I click on add to add this grading. This grading is set, but it is not defined as to the bands. So I select it here. Now I'm going to define the final year grading. So as you can see, this is not set up yet. So I'm going to set it up as 85 to 100 to give me A plus, and I'm going to call this one distinction. Then from 80 to 84.99, I call this A minus, and I call this excellent. Please note, we are not doing 80 to 85 because 85 already falls within the first band. So I use the next available number, which is 84.99 as A minus. So I set up 75 to 79.99 as B plus, and I call this very good. Then 70 to 74.99, I call this B minus, and I call this good. Then I set up from 65 to 69.99 as C plus, and I call this pass. Then 60 to 64.99, I call this C minus, and I say this is weak pass. I set up 50. Okay, I have 60. So let me set up the whole range of 50 to 59.99 as D, and I call this one a weak pass. Okay, let me call this fair. I already have a weak pass. I call this fair. Okay, sorry, my weak pass, the spelling is wrong. I can edit it here and have my weak pass. So 50 to 59.99, that whole range is fair. Now I'm going to set anything below 50 as a fail. So 0 to 49.99, that is going to be an E. And for us, E is a fail. So this is my defined grading system for the final year. And I have a general grading system for which we have A for 80 to 100. Now for final years, I'm giving them 85 to 100 as A plus. So now that I have this grading system set up in a system, all that I need to do is assign it to the classes that I want it applicable to. So I come to settings under academics, then I come to manage classes. So under my classes, I want this to be applied to my final year students. So I select finalists. And as you can see, they're currently using the general grading. So I click on edit and change their grading now to the final year grading. And I update. So as you can see, this is taking effect. And so when students' marks are entered now, this will be the grading system that will be applied to that class, which has been assigned by the grading system. So this is how you set up grading system and assign it to the various classes. Thank you for watching and have a great day.